coil galvanometer. It is a important long answer question, very important nana. Look here. What is the use nana? Moving coil galvanometer is an instrument nana. Is an instrument. What is the use of instrument? To measure the. What is the use of MCG? MCG is an instrument nana. This instrument to measure the current nana. To measure the current up to 10 power minus 9 amperes. Simply this instrument measure very low currents also. This is the usage. Every instrument have some principle is there. Some principle is there. Look here. What is the principle? Here MCG, moving coil galvanometer principle is, this is the rectangular coil, carries a current I. This coil placed in magnetic field, automatically this coil deflect. Simply torque acts. What is the principle of the MCG? Rectangular coil, current carrying rectangular coil placed in magnetic field, current carrying rectangular coil placed in magnetic field, then coil at deflect, simply torque acting on the coil. In the previous concept, plane of the coil placed parallel to field. What torque acting on the coil? BIAN. Okay, that is the formula. What is the usage of MCG? MCG is an instrument to measure the current up to 10 power minus 9 amperes. Hold. This is the construction of MCG. In the MCG, this is the rectangular frame. The rectangular frame name is PQRS. This frame is made of generally brass. Once again I repeat, moving coil galvanometer consists of a rectangular frame. Rectangular frame name is PQRS. This is generally made of brass. Okay. Here, this because of brass is a non-magnetic substance, to reduce the eddy currents. Okay, this rectangular frame made of brass. Here, copper wire is wound on the frame because of electricity. Okay, here this rectangular coil is wound on the copper coil is wound on the rectangular frame. Okay, this coil is suspended by using phosphor branch wire from torsion head. Here coil is suspended by using phosphor branch wire. Phosphor branch wire speciality is high Young modulus, low rigidity modulus. Here Young modulus formula is FL by AE. Rigidity modulus formula is F by A theta. Look here now. Phosphor branch wire have high Young modulus and low rigidity modulus. High Young modulus means extension is small. Simply, the position of the coil does not change. Initially ekkadunte, finally also same position, because phosphor branch wire have high Young modulus. Simply, low expansion, not to elongate. Low rigidity modulus means high twisting. Simply, because of phosphor branch wire, a rectangular coil not elongate but easily turn, but easily twist, but easily twist. Okay, this is the answer. Look here. Okay, look here now. Next now. According to question, this, look here now. What is the use of torsion head? Torsion head to fix the position of the coil, or to adjust the position of the coil. By using torsion head, coil always placed between the magnetic field. Here, curved shaped magnets are used according to diagram. These curved shaped magnets also called as horseshoe magnet. Here, this horseshoe magnet gives strongest field at a particular point. This strongest field is called radial field. Here, north, abide, all lines away. South, all lines towards amide. South is amide. North is abide. Abide, all lines away. Amide, all lines attract. Here, because of curved shaped magnet, it gives the strongest field at a particular point. Here, a large magnetic field acts. Again, another point is iron cylinder. In the rectangular coil, iron cylinder is placed. Iron cylinder is placed inside the rectangular coil. Iron is a ferromagnetic substance. This will be more attract the magnetism and to increase the strength of the magnetic field. 4 points neatga write. Rectangular coil made from brass. Brass is a non-magnetic substance. This rectangular coil, copper wire is wound. Okay. Why here brass is used to make the frame? Brass is a non-magnetic substance to reduce the eddy currents. This rectangular coil suspended by using phosphor branch wire. Okay, phosphor branch wire have a high Young modulus and low rigidity modulus. Simply, it have not extended but easily twisted. Okay. Next, torsion head. What is the use of torsion head? To adjust the position of the coil. Okay. Here, curved shaped magnets are used because to produce the radial field, that is called strongest field. And iron cylinder is placed inside the rectangular coil because iron is a ferromagnetic substance to increase the strength of the magnetic field. Okay. Next one. Here what is the use of instrument? to measure the current. Here, whose current is measured? The current passing through the terminal T1 and T2. Whose current is measured? That is passing through rectangular coil through T1 and T2. Here, current passing in the rectangular coil. This coil placed in a magnetic field. Here, plane of the coil parallel to magnetic field. Here, current carrying a rectangular coil placed in a magnetic field, then coil rotate. Simply torque acting on the coil. This is called deflecting torque. We know that torque formula in the chapter B I A N, equation number 1. But this coil is rotated, but this coil suspended by the wire. Coil rotated, wire also twist. Because of more twist, it will be restored. The phosphor branch wire is restored. Because of wire, phosphor branch wire, restoring torque acting on the coil. Restoring torque due to suspended wire. Here, Nana, coil more rotate, more twist. Wire more twist restore. It means restoring torque depends upon the twist of the coil. Here proportional can be removed. To write proportionality constant C, here theta. Equation number 2. Here theta is twist of the coil. Okay. Here C is called proportionality constant. It's also called as couple by twist. Here I take equilibrium condition. Rotational equilibrium means deflecting torque equal to restoring torque. Deflecting torque is B I A N. Restoring torque is C theta. In the situation, what is the formula for I? I is here numerator other side denominator BAN into theta. This is the formula for current in the MCG. What is the use of moving coil galvanometer? To measure the current up to 10 power minus 9 amperes. Here I is current, C is coupled by twist, B is magnetic field induction, A is area of the rectangular coil, N is number of turns in the coil, theta is twist of the coil or deflection of the coil. This theta measured by using mirror. What is the use of mirror in the diagram? To measure the deflection by using lamp and scale arrangement. This is out of syllabus, so I cannot explain in the video. If you have any doubts, please call my number. Here, theta is deflection of the coil measured by using lamp and scale arrangement. This is the formula for current. To measure the current by using moving coil galvanometer. What is the formula for I? C by BAN into theta. Okay, all of you look here carefully.